Are you a student or young professional and ready for a challenge? We challenge you to develop a circular business case and prototype in 6 weeks. You do this for big companies such as Voedselbank, Renewi, Pharmafilter or water authorities. Of course, you're not going to do this alone. You'll work in a small team with other high potentials to convert a waste stream into a circular product. What's in it for you? First of all, experience. During the Circular Challenge, you will be guided by circular pioneers, designers and other experts. You will also build a serious network within the circular economy. This way you don't only meet people from large companies, but you will also get access to BlueCity's network of entrepreneurs. Finally, you get the chance to develop your circular business case into a real-life startup. This means that after 6 weeks, you'll be able to hold something that you have developed yourself. So are you a designer, engineer, artist or business developer? Sign up and grab this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to kickstart your career in the circular economy.